Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm tidying up this table and I like using the mushroom trays for storing my pots, and they go into the polytunnel. But I did have a thought, can you use mushroom trays for growing potatoes? Well, I've got a bag of potatoes, I've got some mushroom trays, so I'm going to have a go. So I've got a mushroom tray, and my plan was to put some straw in the bottom of the mushroom tray, but I've got some old hay from the rabbit, because the rabbit is no longer with us, so I thought I might try and use this. So I'm going to add a layer of hay to the bottom of our mushroom tray. I'm going to add a layer of compost. We've also got some sawdust, which we no longer need. So I'm going to sprinkle some sawdust. Don't know if it's going to work. And then we're going to plant our potatoes. And these are international kidneys. They're shooted and they're just going to do nothing sat in the box. So I'm just going to plant one either side. I'm just going to cover up a bit of compost, a bit of hay. What do you reckon? Is this going to work? Bit of sawdust. What do you reckon? But my next plan is not just one tray. We'll do 2 trays. And do the same again. Bit of hay. Bit of compost. What do you reckon about this? Reckon it's going to work? It's a good idea. Not sure if it's going to work. And then another one, 1, 2. More compost on top. And where's the hay? More hay. What do we reckon? The other thought I had was to have some zip ties and just zip tie the 2 trays together. But then we're also going to go a bit bigger and we're going to find some more mushroom trays. So they're not going to go anywhere, and I find some more trays. I'm just recycling some of the old plant leaves on top. And then we go again with another. What do you reckon the results are going to be? Let me know in the comments. Quite interesting. It's quite like an experiment. 1, 2. These are all recyclable. How's that? And then we go again. Oh, this is getting taller. Compost. What do we reckon? Potato, potato, more hay, more hay. What do we reckon? It's got to be worth a go. Zip tie all these together. I'm going to see how far these will go. So if the wind blows these over, and if it works, it's going to be a perfect way to grow potatoes without a bed or a bucket. What do we reckon? One more? Okay. Potato. Oh, I've got another plan for my potatoes. Just had another idea. I like silly ideas. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 potatoes in my potato tower. Do we do one more? Make it 12. Let's go for it. This is going to be well interesting. There we go. Use up those potatoes. 1, 2, and they should shoot out the sides. More hay. There we go. Wood savings, use them up, fills up the trays. There we go. So, just going to put a level compost over the top, just to stop it from blowing anywhere. Need to zip tie this one. And I'm just going to let this one sit outdoors. How's that? Oh, it's quite heavy. So there we go, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 potatoes in our tower. I'm going to find a space for this so we can watch it grow. It's quite interesting. I might stick another tray on top just to stop it from blowing about. So what do you think about my tomato tower from mushroom trays? Do you think it's going to work? Leave me a comment in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried anything like this, and have you tried doing potatoes in buckets or containers? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be really great. So I'm really interested to see how this is going to work out. So I'm going to put this in the garden, watch it grow. So I'm just trying to find a spot where to put our potatoes so we can watch them. Not sure I like them there. Don't know. Maybe at the back of the polytunnel there.